Howdy, folks. It's me, Cowboy Short, and today is opening day of baseball. So, guess what? We're going to read a story about animal sounds. Got a problem with that? Guess not. What does a dog say? What does the cat say? The little mouse says, squeak. What does the pig say? The wee little pigs say, wee, 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 all the way home. The cow says, mrrr. The goose says, honk, honk. Cock-a-doodle-doo, says the rooster. Cluck, cluck, say the chickens. And the little chicks say, what do the ducks say? Quack, 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 quack. What does the horse say? Wilbur, come into the room. The flies say, buzz, buzz, buzz. What do the frogs say? Croak, croak, croak. Buzz, say the bees. What does the crow say? Caw, caw, caw. The little birds say, the turkey says, gobble, gobble, gobble. The donkey says, ee-aw, ee-aw. Bah, says the sheep. Ma, says the goat. What do the owls say? Hoo, 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 hoo. What does the fox say? Well, thank you all for coming and enjoying this. And by the way, I'm trying to beat Scott Miller in a contest by raising the most money for a bait. And I would like for you to help me so I can give him a pie in the face. All right? So donate here at the bookstore, beautiful downtown Pryor, Oklahoma. Thank you. Cowboy Short. Have a great day.